Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to be testing our Radcove 2 kit today. With us is our lab supervisor, Elena, and our head of quality control, Dr. Lightbody. Janet, could you perhaps talk us through the Radcove 2 and what you're about to do today?
I am going to test our lab supervisor with a simple finger prick test to extract sufficient blood to carry out a rapid test for indication of the virus to COVID-19.
Okay, I'll leave it in your hands.
So this is the sealed device. Dropper, sized dropper. Swab. And lancet. Okay. Right, first of all, Elena, I'm going to massage the finger to encourage the blood flow.
And that's a little alcohol swab, isn't it?
This is an alcohol swab. Just going to disinfect the area before sampling. Immediately before testing, we remove the device, place it on a clean surface. Right, one more swab. Okay, you ready? Now we wipe away the first sign of blood. And when the next drop forms, followed by, do you want to take that with your finger? Followed by,
And what's that you're applying, Janet?
this is the buffer.
And what does the buffer do?
The buffer encourages the chromatographic
Okay.
movement of reagents
Okay.
up the test device to the results area.
Okay, excellent. And that's really all there is to it. How long will that take, Janet?
That will take 10 minutes, I just said.
10 minutes. Okay,
10
well, why
minutes.
don't we then meet back here in 10 minutes? Thank you. Okay, that's our 10 minutes up. Janet, perhaps you maybe could tell us the results of the test.
Right. Alina, you'll be pleased to hear that the test is negative.
Thank you.
The result here is negative because we have a control band, just one control band here. This is very, very important. There must be a control band against the C for the test to be valid, which it is here. It indicates that all the reagents and the sample have moved correctly up the device to react with the components in the test, the result area. If the result had been positive, there would have been either a band alongside the immunoglobulin G, or a band against the immunoglobulin M, or indeed a band at both of these areas, so 3 in total. The immunoglobulin M and the IgG indicate early for the M and later stages of infection or indication of infection to the COVID-19 virus. Immunoglobulin M, your antibodies to the virus, appear typically between a few days and 2 weeks after infection, and your IgG antibodies appear later and indicate immunity.
Okay, so that's the test has been negative. That's good. Thank you very much indeed, Janet, and thank you very much indeed, Elena.